When we have an accident or injury, we can lose control of the muscles of the waist that help keep us standing tall and in balance. This next movement helps you to lengthen the waist muscles for a smoother gait and improved balance. Roll over to your right side and rest your head on your arm comfortably. Bring your knees up to right angles to your waist as if you were sitting in a straight back chair, and bring your feet at right angles to your knees. Let's begin by sensing the waist muscles. Put a few fingers between your ribs and your hip bone. Keeping your knees together, lift just the top foot, allowing the right hip to rotate upward and inward. Did you feel a contraction under your fingers? Bring your foot down and relax. Repeat this once more. Notice how the waist muscle contracts to draw the hip upward as your foot comes up and relaxes as the foot comes down. Now, keeping your fingers where they are, just gently lift your head a couple of inches off of the other arm. Did you feel a contraction under your fingers? Repeat this once more and notice how the ribs are being pulled down towards your hip. Remove your finger from your waist. Now, let's put those two movements together for a full appreciation of the waist muscles. We'll coordinate the movement with the breath, inhaling to start and exhaling to do the movement. Bring your left arm over your head and grab the right side of your head with your hand. Inhale and expand your ribs, then exhale and slowly lift your head and your top foot, remembering to keep the knees glued together. Feel your ribs contract as your waist tightens to bring your head up. You're tightening all the muscles of the waist when you do this. Inhale and slowly bring your foot and your head back down at the same time. Sense the lengthening in the left waist. As you exhale to lift the head and the foot, make sure that you're coming straight up to the side as if you want to put your armpit into your hip socket. As you inhale, relax down in a straight line as well, making sure not to twist to the back nor the front. Imagine that you're playing the accordion with your waist muscles, tightening your ribs down to your pelvis, then lengthening and creating more space between your ribs and the top of your pelvis when you relax down to the mat. The only way to relax these waist muscles are to tighten them first, then to lengthen them. This is what you're doing. It's almost as if you want to get taller. Now finish up the one that you're on and completely relax.